Create and manage donation campaigns. Our donations feature allows users to create and manage fundraising campaigns directly within the benefactor.net ecosystem. Located in your dashboard, you can create a new donation campaign, track the progress of your campaigns, and view all live donations across the platform. Every campaign operates transparently within our SocialFi ecosystem using PIF tokens. Click Create Campaign and launch your campaign within minutes by providing campaign title, description, image or video content, start and end dates, PIF token goal amounts. This simple process allows any user in the community to quickly launch a fundraising initiative. Scroll down to the bottom, add media, and define your fundraising goal. Campaign creators can enhance their donation page with media, such as images or videos, to help explain their cause and better communicate their fundraising goal. Users can also define their fundraising goal in PIF tokens, campaign duration, and add their campaign on their profile timeline for additional visibility. Click Create Campaign, and your campaign has been successfully submitted for approval. Your campaign status is now pending. Our review process helps ensure quality campaigns, platform integrity, protection against spam or fraudulent activity. Once approved, your campaign becomes visible to the entire community. Click View Live Donations. This page displays all active donation campaigns across the platform. Users can browse campaigns, view campaign details, and donate directly to the causes they support. This creates a community-driven marketplace for generosity and support. Click View. Each donation campaign includes detailed information such as campaign creator, start and end dates, fundraising goal, and current donation progress. This transparency ensures donors can clearly see how their contributions support the campaign. Scroll a little further, you can view real-time donation tracking for any campaign. Users can view monetary progress towards the fundraising goal, donations received, donor contributions, and token amounts in USD conversion. This ensures accountability and trust within the ecosystem. All donations are tracked in real time, fully transparent, and recorded on-chain. You can withdraw your donations at any time without affecting your campaign's progress or current funding totals. To make a withdrawal, simply navigate to your dashboard, scroll down to your donations section, click Withdraw, and select your desired amount to withdraw directly into your digital wallet. The system automatically converts the token value to USD, allowing you to clearly see both the 5% withdrawal fee and the amount you will receive. If you have withdrawn before, simply select your saved wallet address and click Process Withdrawal. The 5% withdrawal fee is redistributed 100% back to users through Pay It Forward rewards, returning value directly back to the community. The ultimate giving back system, people helping people, and often without even realizing it.